guys, so today is day 4 here on my channel for the Beautymas series on my channel. So today I wanted to do kind of like a natural glam makeup look. If you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 different palettes. I'm going to mix 2 different colors together. So first we're going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette, and we're going to take color Creamsicle, and then in the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, we are going to take Limit. And we're going to mix these 2 colors together, and we're going to put these in the crease. Now we're going to apply this in the crease. I'm going to blend it up towards the brow. I'm going to pick up a little bit more. Okay, there are 2 really similar colors in these two palettes. I'm actually going to take this Mugshot from the Naked 3 palette, which is this one. And I'm going to take Hustle. Actually, I'm use my finger to apply it. I'm going to apply this to the lid. This time with a brush. Let's see, I'm going to take this one from, I think this was from Shady. Yeah, this is from the 32 brush set. This is brush number 23. I'm going to take Obsessed and apply this into the inner corner. I'm going to take this, but we're going to start about kind of like right here. Now we're going to take Mocha, and you're going to use this as eyeliner. I'm going to be really trying to get really close to the lash line with this. Okay, the face is already primed, so we can go right into foundation. Now, since this is a full natural glam makeup look, I'm going to use kind of like a full coverage foundation. This one is blendable though. This is the Loreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation in Soft Ivory, and I'm going to take my Jafra Beauty Blender to apply it. Actually, let's use a brush this time. I want to use a brush. I'm going to just pour some of it out on the back of my hand. I'm going to take my Anisa Beauty Pinnacle Foundation brush and start applying. I like to kind of focus it first on the cheeks, because that's where I usually have breakouts. So I'm just really trying to focus it there, and then with what's ever left on the brush, I can put it everywhere else. Okay, now I'm going to dampen my Beauty Blender. And we're just going to press the foundation in. Okay, now we're going to move into concealer. I'm first going to take my e.l.f. Hydrating Cameo concealer. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand, then take my Bedazzler fiber brush, I think. I'm going to conceal the under eye area. That's the only place where we're going to put this concealer. Oh my, I'm dropping everything. Then I'm going to take the JCat Masterclass Base Palette. We're going to take this shade and this. I'm going to apply this concealer slash foundation to any blemishes. What I like to do before I blend everything is I would just like to spray my DIY finishing spray. I'm going to take my QC Makeup Academy fluffy brush and just blend the concealer. Set everything just yet because I'm going to use the Honest Beauty Cream Blush in Coral Peach. I'm going to take the e.l.f. blush brush to apply this. And normally when I apply something like this, like a cream blush or a regular powder blush, I do the cheeks, nose, and forehead. But with cream blushes, I only go on the cheek. And I like to kind of just pat it in rather than like, how you would apply powder blush. Okay. Now we can set everything. I'm gonna set my base with the, actually first we're gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in Classic Ivory. And I'm gonna take the Morphe brush from the face brush set. This is, I think it was supposed to be like a small bronzer brush. I'm going to take this and just set the T-zone. Okay, let's come back to the eyes now. Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. We're just going to take Limit and we're going to apply Limit to the bottom lash line. Okay, now we're going to go into lips. Oh, and by the way, these are the Kiss Looks So Natural lashes. They're my favorite lash. Okay, we're going to use the Loreal Alter Ego lip gloss in Angel. This lip gloss matches my natural lip perfectly, so I'm going to use this. Okay, next I'm going to apply my Jafra Clear Brow Gel to the brows. Set the face using my DIY finishing spray. So I was going to do the Bible verse of the day today, but it's not loading, which is very annoying. So we're going to skip today's. I will probably have it, once it loads, I'll have it in the description. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for day 5. Bye!